In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MindBody software by exploring some of its most beloved customer features. We'll take a closer look at how to simplify your operations, enhance client engagement, and optimize your business performance with this comprehensive platform. To get started with online booking and scheduling, first log into your MindBody business app or use the desktop dashboard. Navigate to Schedule, then Classes followed by Add Class. Here, you'll be able to set all the necessary details for your classes, such as the class name, instructor, duration, and capacity. Once set, your clients can book the class easily via several channels. They can find it on your MindBody app listing, access it through your website booking widget, or click a direct link you share on social media. A handy tip is to enable the waitlist feature, which ensures that your loyal clients have an opportunity to snatch a spot if a class fills up. Next, let's explore integrated payments, a feature that plays a crucial role in streamlining your financial transactions. MindBody offers secure payment processing through MindBody Payments. Begin by going to Sales, select Settings, and then MindBody Payments. Here you can set up your banking details and connect your account. You can then accept payments online, in person, or via mobile checkout. Clients can pay for a range of services, including drop-in classes, memberships, gift cards, and various packages or passes. Moreover, setting up recurring billing for memberships allows for consistent client activity and a predictable income stream. The Client Management feature, or CRM, helps you keep track of all client interactions and purchases. You can manage this by heading to Clients and then selecting Client List. When you click on a client's name, you can view their booking history, memberships, notes, preferences, and contact details. Adding specific notes, such as prefers morning yoga or has shoulder injury, can be extremely beneficial. Also, employing tags like VIP trial or new client helps in effectively grouping clients for future marketing campaigns. Let's not forget the marketing suite and automations, a powerful component that runs automated marketing around the clock. Head to Marketing, then Marketing Suite to explore its capabilities. You have access to setting up campaigns to send newsletters or offers, creating automations for events like welcomes or birthdays, and running promotions to attract new clients. The Insights section offers performance metrics showing you open rates and conversions. Automated reminders, such as "We miss you," can help re-engage inactive members, encouraging them to return. For those embracing virtual classes, the virtual wellness feature is perfect, especially for hybrid fitness studios. Enable this option under Settings and MindBody Virtual Wellness. When creating a class, you can toggle Enable Virtual Class, which automatically generates a private streaming link for booked clients, making it possible for them to attend from anywhere. Dive into data to track your business performance with reports and analytics. By navigating to Reports followed by Business Reports, you can choose to view sales, attendance, or retention reports, offering insights into daily transactions and client trends. These reports can be exported as PDFs or Excel files and are invaluable for refining class schedules and marketing strategies. From the client's perspective, the MindBody app is a favorite for good reason.